Welcome to Pro Se Legal School. We provide the tools you need to stop the court process. That's it. Stop the court process. I'm Coach Neighbors, and in this video, we're going to talk about stopping the court process, where the coaching takes place, right there. Where the coaching takes place at neighbors_coach. So I want to make sure people understand I don't coach in emails. And when people make me coach in emails because they keep asking me coaching questions instead of going over to here where they need to be, they ask me, and now if I don't answer the emails, I start out, hey, whatever, and you need to get over here for the coaching. So I try to help them out. I'm not just going to, and then people think that, I don't have to go over here. I'll just do whatever I want and make coach come over here. Even though even if I go over here, I got to wait in line. But over here, so what happens about the second or third time I get email coaching question from the same person, I start getting a little bit, I get a little grumpy. And then people, oh, why are you getting, I don't like it. Well, this is a school. This is not, I'm not an attorney's office. I don't operate like an attorney. I don't want to see your stuff. I don't need to know all of those things that you want to tell me. We help you learn how to stop the court process and provide the documents that you need to sue these people for dragging you into their administrative process when you thought you was in judicial court, where you violating your due process. That's what, so people are telling me, oh, well, I don't see a package that fit my situation. No, that's the problem. Your situation is you're in their conventional program that they structured for you to be in. That's not going to help you. What you need to do, what I suggest people to do in my program is learn how to take what they were doing to you over there over to our program. That's what you need to learn how to do, okay? Because if you do it the other way, you're arguing their stuff and you already know you're doing with that, or you wouldn't be over here looking for other options in the first place, okay? So in order to make it work, you got to do what needs to be done, okay? We have real-time feedback from all the people in the program and people not in the program that's helped us put together. And then my own feedback of how this is structured so that I can make sure that I have time to get to all the things that's important to me. Now, people want me to listen to all their stuff and sending me their paperwork, and I send it back to them, and then eventually I just block it, because that's not what we do here. What we do here is you learn how to handle this yourself. And you do that by getting yourself to the gate. You have to get yourself to the gate by looking at the description on the website. There's a more detailed description of the documents that you're getting. Then you go to the YouTube channel and you can, pull up the instructional video playlist, and you can look at the instructional videos, the updated instructional videos for the largest pack that you want. Now, there's another playlist that we've added that actually is teaching everyone how to streamline this thinking down to stopping the court process. And I think that's the name of the playlist, Stopping the Court Process. In that playlist, we kind of generalize everything that we're doing so people don't get stuck in their head that this is not my thing, or it needs to be over there, or whatever. Because people who do that end up coaching themselves based off of the legal information that they were indoctrinated to believe when they were growing up and all along, and even now, except for on YouTube. Subscribe, click the channel button, make sure that you subscribe, ring the bell, so you get notifications when we have live streams and when we have things that's going down, webinars and all kinds of stuff that we do. So if you're interested in being in the program and doing what it takes, then you need to go and check out the products, and then figure out there's only a couple of choices for each one, and then figure out what you can afford, and then go watch the updated instructional videos, and then watch the videos for Stopping the Court Process 101. I think that was the name of the playlist. Stopping the Court Process 101. And then that kind of gives you an outline of what we do. We don't go in arguing their stuff or looking at their stuff. They have you in administrative court and violate your due process to get you there. Okay, none of the stuff that they have that you want, that you are bringing, is going to help you address the things that you need to be addressing, which are the things over here. So it's a little frustrating for me when people invest and then try to tell me what I need to help them do. It don't work out too well. Then people say I'm angry, I'm grumpy. Well, I don't have a lot of time to spend telling people over and over how this needs to work. So if I tell you, you need to go over here and you do that and you need to do this, you need to do that, then I shouldn't hear from you until those things are done. Otherwise, we're wasting, well, I'm not going to waste my time because I can't afford to because I've made a commitment to too many people. But you're wasting your time. Okay, that's how this works. That's it. Okay, I'm the one in charge. This is how we do it. If you have questions, now if you invest in a premium package, then I have a protocol set up. And how that works is you text me if you have a question, and then I get back to you with a text or with some direction or whatever. Not all the time do I need to call or talk to people. And I'll just throw this on the table while we're here. People who call me when the day they get something from court already know, and I can tell by the attitude, the tone, and all of that crap that comes into play when people haven't taken the time to review what the court's trying to do. If they have any, you can take, they're trying to do the Rooker and Feldman doc. Well, let me go to the YouTube channel and punch in Rooker and Feldman. There's several videos on that. Okay, how about if I don't want to worry about trying to go through their own stuff, how about we just want to learn how to kick the judge's butt? Okay, judge. Yeah, the channel can be used for legal research, and these things are listed. So the first thing people need to do is go to winincourtnow.com, over to the website, and then they need to mosey over to the most asked questions in section, the most asked answers in section, questions, the most asked. I got this. I got this. Let me take a drink first. They need to head over to that section where you learn how this works. All right, that's the first thing you do, because there you learn how this works, what your responsibilities are, what mine are. And I also want to reiterate this. What you invest in when you invest in any other products that you get here, you're investing in educational material that you receive after download. That's what you're investing in. The coaching, the group stuff, the extra, all of that is extra. It's icing on the cake, and it's at my discretion. And the reason it's at my discretion is because I don't deal with drama. So if you're a drama person, we're not going to get along very well. And that's why I have it set up that way. Because we have too many people over here that are doing everything that we need to be doing. And the people that are creating drama are, and I'm just gonna, it may not be you, but I'm just gonna go here because this is where we at. A lot of the times, the people that create the drama because they need somebody to blame because they haven't been doing what they need to be doing. Okay, that's my coaching. That's my coaching opinion on that. Now, had they been doing what they need to be doing, they wouldn't need to be creating drama because they would still be busy learning more stuff. But, and that's just how I see it. So I don't deal with that. And, if you don't understand how this works, I don't make a bunch of phone calls for the packages. The premium packages, I have a communication protocol, but it's not where you just call me anytime, call me all day. No offense, but people need to understand in a business, if you have people that you're committed to, you have things that need to get done for that day and maybe the next day, couple of days, maybe 5 days out. Okay, don't get caught on how many days, okay? Because you always want everybody to think you're busy, even if you are. I mean, not. If you are not. Even if, no. Come on now. Stick with me. Okay, so if you invest in the program, there you go. The coaching is done right there. Okay, sorry. I got the wrong one. Okay, the coaching is done right there. Not on Gmail, not on Facebook. No, I do have a Facebook page, but I don't go there much. The coaching's done here. And one of the reasons I like the coaching here, because other people are the same people ask. Some people ask the same questions, and they can find those questions in there. They can read, educate themselves. But the main reason I like it there is because, one of the main reasons is because it doesn't allow you to dictate 49 stinking paragraphs of stuff that usually comes from talking and not, typing. So if you have more than just a couple paragraphs to say, then you don't understand the program, or there's something's off. And I have a person that's grumpy about it now, and I ask her to call me. I like to talk to her or whatever so we can figure out where it is because I don't look at your stuff. I don't look at all your things. I don't look at your paperwork. I don't need to know. If you're in court and they're violating if you're in court, you're getting violated right away because they have you in administrative court, and I already know how they got you there. And so those are the things that we address. We address what happens at the gate, not what's going on in the middle of the poopy pond at the gate. That's what we address. So when you look at it that way, everybody's stuff is the freaking same. I mean, it is. The main reason you're going to the table is because they're violating your due process. They violated the Fraudulent Concealment Act. They violated the Fraudulent Concealment. Well, that's in the new stuff. Okay, 42 USC, conspiracy against rights. Yeah, that's why you're going after them. So you guys keep that in mind. If you need coaching, you need to get over to the group. I don't coach on emails, and I don't coach. This is where the coaching takes place. So if you don't, and you keep and what happens is the email can be used as an emergency situation. I don't check it every day, and it's one of the other reasons why I don't coach there. Because if we start coaching there, I don't have time to check it because this is where I'm supposed to be coaching, wherever the hell that is. This is where I'm supposed to be coaching. And, and then, so how many people did I miss over here? Well, I'm fooling around over here on Gmail reading this big old long, that was voice. I knew his voice. Anyway, so that's how we roll. So I'm a coach. I'm not somebody that's kissing anybody's ass. Okay, I'm just a coach and I'm trying to get shit done. So if you don't like how we're doing things, you can go do things someplace else. If I offend you, I apologize. It's not my goal. My goal is to help you punch these people in the face. And if I'm getting grumpy about it, then your ass way off base. Thank you. I'm about to get worked up. I think I need to go get in the hot. I need to go read it. Thank you guys for sharing your time. I'll see you in the next video. Oh, one other thing I want to touch on is how the coaching works. Apparently some people think that I should coach them in the conventional sense and how to apply my stuff on the conventional sense. And that's kind of been a problem too, because that's not, and those people want me to read and look at their stuff and listen to all this stuff so I understand how to coach them. And those people don't understand how we do things. So that's not how things are done here. Here, you learn yourself how to punch these people in the face. So that's the only way it's going to get done. Okay, if they find out you got somebody else doing whatever and you can't communicate with them when you face them, when you file stuff, when you talk to the attorneys or talk to the court clerk or talk to any of them or email or Zoom, whatever. Okay, if the stuff that comes out of your mouth is not this, then they know that they can just go ahead and drag your ass to the court and just ignore everything because you don't know what you're doing. Then watch the instructional videos or go here for the coaching. Thank you guys for the very time. I'll see you in the next video.